Want to make your Instagram stories more creative with custom lines? Follow this guide. To start with, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Then swipe right to open the story camera. Next, select a photo or a video from your gallery as your background. After that, click on the three horizontal dots at the top. Then select Draw. At the very top, choose from the different marker tools and select your preferred colors from the bottom. To adjust the thickness of the line, use the slider on the left side. Now draw a straight line on the screen. If you make a mistake, hit the circular arrow at the top left to remove it and repeat the same process. Once finished, click on the checkmark icon at the top right. Finally, hit your story at the bottom to publish it. And there you have it. Stay tuned for more quick and easy Instagram hacks.